Salut la compagnie. For those who have followed me for a while, you know that I love to put in parallel working out and learning a language. Why? Because they both bring the same challenges. The first challenge is finding the time. We often have the excuse, whether if it's to exercise or to study the language, I don't have the time. So that's the first thing. The second one is the fact that learning a language or working out bring certain struggle, like moment where you feel rusty, moment where you feel like you have reached a plateau and you're not improving, and other moment of pure joy because there is something that you finally reach, whatever it's a better time for running, or it's understanding something in the language and be able to apply during a conversation. So that's why I love to put those two things in parallel, right? Now, in my case, I gave birth to a lovely girl 6 weeks ago. So between the pregnancy, giving birth, and the afterbirth, it's been a while. I haven't exercised. During pregnancy, I was doing yoga, which can be tough, but in this case, it was pretty gentle yoga to get me ready for the baby. But in terms of running, pushing weights, or other stuff that brings stamina, I haven't done it in a while. So today, I'm starting back my journey of exercising. And I can tell you that I really feel fluffy. I'm pretty sure I don't have any endurance. I feel definitely rusty, but I'm gonna start slow and see how it goes. Little by little, baby step. And I want you to see that also when you learn a language, when you learn French. Let's say you haven't touched a book or you haven't studied anything about French in a while, that you feel rusty and you feel like, oh my God, I won't be able to do that again. This is exactly how I feel right now. So let's keep ourselves accountable, keep pushing, moving forward. So I'm walking to warm up and I'm gonna try to run. It's going to be tough, but let's do it. And let's see, I hope this little message inspires you for today to get back on your workout journey or end going back on your learning journey of the French language. All right, time to sweat. I'll tell you later how I feel. So to start back, I did 22 minutes of running, taking some break in between. So I feel like crap, to be honest, but it's motivating me to do more. So let's see in a few days. I'll probably do better. What about you? Are you starting back your French learning journey? Let me know. Let me know if you feel rusty. How does it feel? If you feel like crap like me today, or if you're in a pretty good journey right now. Keep you posted.